Hi everyone, I'm Noel, and today we're tackling the ultimate David versus Goliath matchup in tax software. In this corner, we have FreeTaxUSA, the scrappy underdog promising truly free federal filing for everyone. And in the other corner, TurboTax, the heavyweight champion with the polished interface and premium price tag. This is going to be an interesting battle, so let's see which one deserves your money. These two platforms couldn't have more different philosophies. FreeTaxUSA built their entire business around one radical idea: completely free federal tax filing for everyone, no matter how complex your situation gets. They're the transparent alternative fighting against expensive competitors. TurboTax is the industry giant that believes in premium experiences. They want to make tax filing as simple and intuitive as possible, with extensive professional support, but they charge premium prices for it. Understanding who each platform serves makes the choice clearer. FreeTaxUSA appeals to budget-conscious filers comfortable with self-guided processes. Think self-employed individuals, investors, and anyone with complex returns who wants to save serious money. TurboTax targets people who want maximum hand-holding, simplified processes, and extensive professional support. They're willing to pay premium prices for brand recognition and the most polished user experience available. Here's where the battle lines are drawn most clearly. FreeTaxUSA keeps it beautifully simple with their freemium model. Federal filing is always free regardless of complexity. State filing is just $14.99 per state, and extras are optional add-ons. TurboTax uses expensive tiered pricing. They advertise free filing, but it's extremely limited, with paid tiers ranging from around $79 to $139 or more, plus state filing costs of $59 to $69 per state. FreeTaxUSA absolutely crushes TurboTax on federal filing costs. They guarantee all federal returns are 100% free: investments, rental income, self-employment, everything. No upgrade prompts, no hidden fees, period. TurboTax's free version only covers simple returns, basically just W-2 income. Only about 37% of filers even qualify, and you'll pay up to $139 or more for anything complex. FreeTaxUSA wins this round by knockout. The state filing story is even more dramatic. FreeTaxUSA charges a flat $14.99 per state, period. TurboTax charges $59 to $69 per state. That's roughly 4 times more expensive. At these prices, FreeTaxUSA offers state filing at approximately 75% less than TurboTax. If you're filing in multiple states, the savings become absolutely massive with FreeTaxUSA. Now here's where TurboTax fights back hard. Their interface is industry-leading, polished, highly guided, and conversational. It makes tax filing feel less intimidating for new or nervous filers. FreeTaxUSA's interface is clean but no frills. It's efficient and businesslike, which experienced filers might actually prefer for speed. TurboTax definitely wins on user experience and sets the industry standard here. TurboTax takes the support crown with a wider range of options, including full-service tax preparation that FreeTaxUSA simply doesn't offer. FreeTaxUSA provides tiered support, free email for everyone, live chat for $7.99, and tax professional consultation for $49.99. TurboTax offers everything from self-help to TurboTax Live, expert help to complete full-service preparation. If you want maximum support options, TurboTax wins this category. Both platforms offer strong guarantees, but with different approaches. FreeTaxUSA provides accuracy guarantees and offers audit defense for $19.99 as an affordable add-on. TurboTax offers extensive guarantees, including their famous maximum refund promise, and provides free audit guidance with paid audit defense available. Both are solid, but TurboTax's guarantees are more extensive and well-known in the industry. This is where FreeTaxUSA's philosophy really pays off. Schedule C for self-employment, investment forms, rental properties, all completely free at the federal level. TurboTax forces you into expensive premium or self-employed tiers for these same features. Yes, TurboTax offers specialized tools like cryptocurrency guidance, but you're paying $100 plus more for features that FreeTaxUSA includes free. FreeTaxUSA wins big on value for complex filers. Let's look at the brutal reality of pricing. FreeTaxUSA, $0 federal for everything, $14.99 per state, optional support up to $49.99. TurboTax, free version extremely limited, deluxe around $79 federal plus $64 state, premium $139 plus $69 state. Full service starts at $129 but can exceed $2,000 for complex returns. The total cost difference is staggering. FreeTaxUSA typically under $50 total, while TurboTax easily hits $200 to $300. Here's the truth about free tax filing that the industry doesn't want you to know. FreeTaxUSA is completely transparent. What you see is what you get, no surprise upgrades required. TurboTax's free version is so limited that most people end up needing expensive upgrades they didn't expect. Many users report starting free only to discover they need to pay significantly more to complete their return. FreeTaxUSA's model is honest and predictable. Both platforms have strong reputations, but for completely different reasons. FreeTaxUSA gets praised consistently for incredible value. Users love saving hundreds of dollars while getting comprehensive tax filing without quality drops. TurboTax receives high praise for their user-friendly interface, guided experience, and expert support options. Many users feel TurboTax's higher cost is worth the peace of mind and simplified process. TurboTax takes a slight edge here with more comprehensive import capabilities. FreeTaxUSA automatically transfers previous year information if you used them before. TurboTax imports from previous returns, competitor PDFs, and directly from financial institutions for W-2s and 1099s. If you're switching services or want maximum import convenience, TurboTax provides the more sophisticated data import experience. TurboTax wins the mobile battle decisively. They offer comprehensive, easy-to-use mobile apps for Android and iOS where you can complete your entire return with the same functionality as desktop. FreeTaxUSA has a mobile-friendly website, but no dedicated app. You're using it through your browser. If mobile filing is important to you, TurboTax provides the superior experience. Let's break down the essential trade-offs. FreeTaxUSA excels at free federal filing for all forms, very low state fees, transparent pricing, affordable professional access, and excellent overall value. However, it requires more manual input, has email-only support unless you upgrade, and lacks a mobile app. TurboTax shines with industry-leading interface, extensive guidance, strong guarantees, and full-service options, but it's very expensive with limited free options and confusing tiered pricing. Real-world scenarios clarify the best choice. FreeTaxUSA is perfect for the self-employed person with investments who can file their complex federal return completely free, saving potentially hundreds compared to TurboTax's premium or self-employed plans. TurboTax is ideal for individuals or families wanting maximum guidance, simplified processes, and the option to hand taxes off to professionals, and they're willing to pay premium prices for that peace of mind. Time efficiency depends on your experience and comfort level. FreeTaxUSA's stripped-down process allows efficient completion but requires more manual input. Experienced filers might find this approach actually faster. TurboTax's guided walkthrough, data import features, and conversational interface reduce user effort significantly. First-time filers and those with less tax knowledge will likely save substantial time with TurboTax's approach. Let's address the elephant in the room. Studies show about 70% of taxpayers qualify for free filing, yet only 3% actually file for free, partly due to confusing marketing. TurboTax's free service that most users don't qualify for can feel like bait and switch. FreeTaxUSA completely avoids this problem by making all federal forms genuinely free from the start. This transparency is a key reason for their strong user reviews. This choice represents a fundamental decision between pure value and premium experience. Choose FreeTax USA if you value truly free federal filing, want the most affordable option for complex returns, you're comfortable with streamlined approaches, and prefer transparent pricing without surprise upgrades. Choose TurboTax if you prefer premium guided experiences, want extensive support and professional access, you're willing to pay significantly more for peace of mind, and you value the most polished interface available.